NGOs for stress management. NGOs are non-government organizations. NGOs have started unified movement against tobacco. This movement was started by 45 different well-known organizations like WHO, Tata Trust, etc. It is active for controlling tobacco consumption. It provides guidance to activists against tobacco. Now, as we all know, tobacco control is a field of international public health science, thereby reducing mortality, as cigarettes, cigars, and hookah contain or use tobacco. Tobacco control is a priority area for the World Health Organization, WHO. Every year, more than 8 million people die from tobacco use. Not only that, tobacco can also be deadly for non-smokers. Around 1.2 million deaths occur due to it. 65,000 children die each year due to illness related to breathing air polluted by tobacco smoke. E-cigarettes, which is something new and is used by many school children, may or may not contain tobacco, but are harmful to health and undoubtedly very unsafe. The next is the Salam Mumbai Foundation. The Salam Mumbai Foundation is an organization that runs programs in various schools in Mumbai to empower children living in slum areas in the fields of education, sports, arts, and business. This organization encourages children to take education by helping them to improve their health and lifestyle. It has made some districts in Maharashtra completely tobacco free through hard work. Since 2002, this organization is working with various schools in urban and rural areas for making the society tobacco free. This program is being implemented with the help of government in about 200 schools in Mumbai and 14,000 schools in rest of Maharashtra. Now we have government schemes where the government gives phone numbers, helpline numbers, which are published in newspapers to help children in distress or facing any type of problem. Children can contact the helpline to narrate their problems. Proper help and guidance is offered to children. One of the organization is the organization known as SMILE. It is a special initiative of the Union Home Ministry headed by Rajnath Singh and organizes regular rescues and rehabilitation of children pushed into prostitution and bonded labor to ill treatment by parents. The program brings together state police and child departments to rescue missing children. Nature, it is the closest friend of human beings. Exposure to nature not only makes you feel better emotionally, it contributes to your well-being, reducing blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the production of stress hormones. It may even reduce mortality. A simple plant in our room can have a significant impact on stress and anxiety. By spending time with nature, we become more calm and balanced, and studies have shown that children spending more time with nature, their attention span is increased. Hobbies such as gardening, bird watching, lingering in nature, rearing domestic animals, etc. help create positive mindset and improve confidence. Pets, especially dogs and cats, can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, ease loneliness, encourage exercise and playfulness, and even improve your heart health. Caring for an animal can help children to grow up more secure and active. You can see two pictures in front of you. Look at the pictures carefully. In the picture where the arrow points, you can see a mother pulling her son inside the house to study, while the son is still interested in remaining out of the house and playing. Now, this was the story in 1998. Look at picture 2 where the arrow points. It shows a mother asking her son to leave the house and go to play outdoors. Now this is in 2017. How strange. The two scenarios are totally contrasting. During the year 1998, a child would remain out and was involved in playing outdoor games like cricket, football with friends. He was involved in communication with friends and developed harmonious relation with friends. On the contrary, in 2017, after the advancement of technology, children love to remain indoors, playing on cell phones, chatting through WhatsApp, surfing the internet, playing games on laptop, posting selfies on Instagram, Facebook. Children in today's time are not ready to go out and do not realize the value of outdoor games. There is a chronically ill old person in your home. How will you help to maintain good atmosphere, and what changes can take place in a home having chronically ill old person? Now, to maintain a good atmosphere, we must recite some religious scripts, ask our relatives to visit at least twice a month, take responsibility of giving medicines on time, also get your friends along with you home. Never let that ill person feel isolated at any point of time. Now, what changes can take place in our homes? Because when we say chronically ill, means they are ill for a very long time, and this illness may continue. We have to make arrangements for proper care of the ill old person. Food and medicines must be given on time. At least one person from the house must be at home all the time with the old sick person. If that is not possible, a full-time servant or a nurse should be kept to take care of the sick old person. We should never leave the house keeping the sick patient alone at any point of time. Finances must be kept aside for the expenses of the sick old person.